Hello everyone, let's learn how to log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices. If you want to log out of your Facebook account from all signed-in devices, you don't need to log out individually on each device. Facebook offers one option to sign out from all devices with one device, and I will show you how to use it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Messenger app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. When you open app, click on three horizontal lines in top left corner of the screen. Next, let's tap on little gear icon in top right corner of this menu. After that, you will come on this page, and next you need to scroll on the bottom of the screen to see Meta Account Center, and when you do that, go to click on See More in Account Center. Now go on Password and Security option. Next, go on Security Checks, and you need to open where you're logged in. On this menu, you can select the account you want to change password. Also, you can change password on Instagram account. Just select Instagram account. When you go on account you want, you come on this menu, and on this menu you see all login activity of that account. You can see if someone you don't know is logged into your account. Next, scroll to the bottom of page, and click on Select Devices to log out. Now just select device by tapping on it, and press on Log Out button in the bottom of screen, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.